Here we go again with the garage door freak show. Door's all busted up again. This time it broke open. And the problem that keep happening is this this wire here that holds it up as it goes down. It's supposed to wind on that pulley there, but it keep coming off and it gets tangled up in the shaft. This has happened, I think, at least 4 or 5 times now. It's getting out of hand. It just broke a couple of weeks ago, and I mean, to the guy's credit, he come back and fix it every time it breaks, and he's usually pretty quick. But this time he's out of town and he's not coming back until the end of the week. So now I got to do something more permanent because it's going to be raining all week, and I can't have rain and water and everything just coming in the door here. I got to board all this up somehow. So I'm gonna have to go to the store now and get some plywood. That's gonna be a lot of money, and then I gotta get it up. And of course it's like 10 o'clock at night now. I gotta go to work tomorrow, and I just want to go to sleep, but now I gotta deal with this trash.